This is my daughter, Gladys.
Hello.
My first... Oh, okay, say hello.
Hi. Say hello, hi.
My first grandson, Jilan.
The most handsome.
The most handsome.
The handsomest of them all.
Tawag na sa iya dito ko sa expensive looking.
Ah!
Oh, expensive looking. This is my husband, the only husband. Alan. That's my son-in-law. 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 Orlan, say something. Okay. This is my son, RR. Would you like to say something?
Hello to your vlog.
Hello to my people.
Oh,
100 million
my
followers.
second grandson, Raver. Say something. Okay, shy. And my third grandson.
Hello.
This is Jajik. Say something.
Something.
Something!
Louder.
Something.
Oh,
Louder.
Louder!
that's the only uncle. Oh, nay masuko. Oh, mara man gini uncle sa akong side, di ba? This is my only brother, Arvin.
Hi! Hello!
Okay. Yeah. Again, my daughter and the husband.
Tingnan, say something doon.
Say something. Say something.
Ano din?
Something. Louder.
May something.
Hello to 1 million followers.
Borrowers. Ayun, ang borrowers kayo may
Followers.
kapahiram.
Say something.
Say something.
Louder!
Wait, my son, my other son. Open. Okay, so this is my son, Francis, and wife,
Isa na
Roslyn, and Cheska. Say hi. Say something. Say something. That's Cheska, my only granddaughter.
Francis good. Then dito gawas ba.
Okay, again, Francis. Oh, say something. Francis.
Kasi mong cellphone.
All goods.
Oh, good. Okay, that's good.
Isa may tauban na
Ikaw. Di ba? Oh.
Asa rin ba?
My son is coming to the US soon. And here's Allen and Jilan.
Dili.
Here's Bunny.
Sila to.
Say something, Bunny.
Put yun lang.
My sister-in-law's nephew.
Kagayan. Ah, Dilan. Kamalo na Dilan.
Ako na, makasali kong Jajik kay kuan ginis Jajik ka na bang mangutana gyud mo istorya gyud. Hi. Ina din si something.
My something.
Ang toy abot din nagiligan ko nga way panahid.
Oy? Si Jilan? Uy.
Sa ka nagiya ka kay cellphone na ay pagdadaan.
Say something, Raver.
Hello.
Okay. Again. Uy, California may lagi na, Jake. Welcome to California. Uy, ako po. Can't see myself. And this is Maria. Welcome to my 8,000 subscriber. Subscriber, ha? Not follower. Ha?
Saan na? Followers? Ano ba?
8 million. Oh, that's my cousin. My cousin, Naomi sa English. Yep.
Welcome to the Philippines. My cousin.
Oh, welcome daw to the Philippines. Okay. Di mag-videos ako dito sa front. Sa front. Hello! Kasi ngalan, ani gani ba?
Zio.
Si?
Zio.
Zio. Say hi, Zio. That's Zio. That's Kyla. Uy, kalimot mo ko sa ngalan. Ida. Yes, the only Ida. Hi. And this is my sister-in-law. The beautiful. Okay, palayo na to. My beautiful sister-in-law, Jingle. And this is the front. That's the beach area. Fronting our beach area. Okay. All right.